Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Peace be always with you. Welcome to Global Light Path. I am Irshad Mahmood from Toronto, Canada. Topic is Global Reset Button and urgent need of the time. Humanity is facing global disaster due to Allah's anger. Reasons could be many for global disasters, including global pandemic diseases or other global disasters, or artificial as well as natural global poverty and famine. Global people from all around the world must join together to save humanity from global pandemic disaster. You will be lucky if your neighbor is true Buddhist, Christian, Hindu, Jewish, Muslim, etc., since they love to save humanity, but not the false people. Saving a life is without any discrimination is like save whole world. Reference Al Quran chapter 5 verse 32. No one has right to force including their spouses. Although Muslim men are allowed to marry women of the people of the book who believe on one God, but they are not allowed to force their wives to change their religion. No Muslim is Muslim if she does not help her neighbors. All the religion, faith, beliefs, teaches to save humanity, which cannot be without joining together for global solidarity for humanity, and stand firm together. Otherwise, they might be wiped out one after another. Below are just few verses from the Quran and Bible. Give to your near of kin his due, and also to the needy and the wayfarers, immigrants. Do not squander your wealth wastefully, for those who squander wastefully are Satan's brother, and Satan is ever ungrateful to his Lord. Reference Al Quran, chapter 17, verse 26, verse 27. For there will be never cease to be poor in the land. Therefore I command you, you shall open wide your hand to your brother, to the needy, and to the poor in your land. Bible, book of Deuteronomy, chapter 15, verse 11. Whoever is generous to the poor lends the Lord, and he will reply him from his deed. Bible, book of Proverbs, chapter 19, verse 17. For the commandments, you shall not commit adultery, you shall not murder, you shall not steal, you shall not covet, and any other commandments are summed up in the word, you shall love your neighbor as yourself. This is the key point in the Bible. Very good key point. You shall love your neighbors as yourself. Bible, book of Romans, chapter 13, verse 9. We invite you all together for global solidarity for humanity without any discrimination. Roadblockers are those who don't promote, don't support. Media must play an active role regularly on bringing good guys on their programs for free. Let us join together to build heavenly earth without any discrimination, which cannot be without joining together for global solidarity for humanity. Only then we can build heavenly earth. It is time now to press the global reset button to save humanity and follow the direction as mentioned in the global anthem, Change Our World, I have on YouTube. Thank you.